Hi, I'm Sue from iCells, and as part of Damp and Mould Awareness Week, we're going to be talking about a solution to get rid of your mould for good. Today I'm with Wasfi from Kair Ventilation, and we're looking at a simple but powerful Kair Mould Control Pack, which lets you turn your paint into a mould destroyer.
That's right. This kit gives you everything you need to clean, treat and protect walls against mould. You get a surface cleanser to remove existing mould, and anti-mould additives you can mix into any emulsion or even wallpaper paste. Once added, that paint becomes mould resistant.
So you don't need to use the expensive specialist paint. You can just choose the colour that you love and make it mould proof.
That is exactly right. You can use the additive and add it to any sort of paint of your choice, 2.5 litre maximum limit. It is completely odourless and has no bleach smell and has long-lasting protection of your walls from mould.
So that should be perfect for a medium-sized room, 30 to 40 square metres, ideal for kitchens, bathrooms or anywhere you're starting to see those black mould spots.
Yes, and if you like an even easier option, you can go for the Kair Ready Mixed Mould Control Paint. What this does is it has the same protection, however it's ready mixed for you. It comes in the colours white, Magnolia, as well as the tin sizes 1 litre and 5 litres.
So whether you're treating a small area or a whole room, the Kair Mould Control Pack is a perfect way to stop mould before it starts, keeping your home healthy and fresh all year round.
We're giving away £1,400 in ventilation products. We have a continuously running extract fan, which is humidity controlled, not 1 but 2 heat recovery ventilation units, an inline fan which also comes with a humidity controlled and timer switch, making it a smart inline fan. We have mold control paint, passive fresh rinse, mold control packs, as well as these hygrometers over here. We're also giving away 2 £150 vouchers, one for ducting and a £150 voucher for our ventilation units. Link in the description below.